Wow. Hey, look how nice this is.
I know. You were great. Thank you so
It's
much.
my
Really,
pleasure.
thank you. And I
This
told you,
is
we're gonna have to have
ridiculous.
you guys over for dinner
That
once
would
we
be
get it.
awesome.
Once we get it a little more settled.
Yeah.
You know.
Awesome. My son won't come. He's a Yankees fan, so
Is he?
What?
he's a Yankees fan.
Danielle is too. You know, Jeff, I wish I was a Yankees fan. I'm doomed.
He's a Chargers fan this year. It's a little.
Yeah.
I got you beat. I'm a Jets fan.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I'm a Kansas City fan.
I'm doomed. Jets and Mets forever.
Kansas City, why is that?
My father.
You can get in from the living room too. I mean, this is absurd. Look at this. There's a fountain down there. I mean, like, I'm in shock. It's home, guys. Incredible. See ya.